Robert Kiyosaki discusses the looming financial collapse in the USA and globally. He draws parallels between Marxism and capitalism and addresses the importance of financial literacy in navigating these turbulent times. The world is changing rapidly. Economic systems are under pressure. Understanding these shifts is crucial for survival and success. The clash between different ideologies shapes our future. Knowledge is power in these uncertain times. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. The Communist Manifesto. In 1967, Kiyosaki encountered Marx's The Communist Manifesto. This book laid bare the foundation of Marxist thought. It advocates for the abolition of private property. This idea remains relevant today. Many leaders echo these sentiments, suggesting a future where ownership is obsolete. Klaus Schwab's vision of a world where you own nothing is alarming. It reflects a growing acceptance of Marxist principles. Today, we see a diluted form of Marxism infiltrating our institutions. This version often masquerades under different labels. It promotes a liberal agenda in education. Many schools and universities push these ideas without acknowledging their roots. The goal is often to create dependency on the state. The narrative is that the government will take care of everyone. Robert Kiyosaki argues that this fosters a lack of personal responsibility among citizens. Watching the politicians. It is essential to scrutinize the actions of our politicians. Their decisions reveal their true intentions. Actions speak louder than words. For instance, the cancellation of the Keystone Pipeline had significant economic implications. It led to a spike in oil prices. Such actions create a divide between the rich and the poor. This divide can lead to unrest and revolution. Division is rampant in society. Politicians thrive on this divide. It fuels anger and resentment among different groups. This environment is ripe for conflict. When people feel disenfranchised, they seek change. Unfortunately, this often manifests in destructive ways. The current political climate exacerbates these feelings. Understanding this is vital for navigating our future. The golden rule states that he who has the gold makes the rules. This principle is evident in our financial systems. Those in power dictate the terms. Wealth creates influence. To succeed, one must understand this dynamic. Education is key to breaking free from this cycle. Learning about finance is crucial for empowerment. Data is the new currency. Financial institutions gather vast amounts of information about individuals. This data shapes decisions and influences markets. Understanding how data works can provide an advantage. It is essential to be aware of what information is collected and how it is used. This awareness can help individuals protect their privacy and financial interests. Should I buy Bitcoin? Investing in Bitcoin is a hot topic. The cryptocurrency market is volatile yet promising. Many believe Bitcoin is the future of money. It provides a hedge against inflation. However, one must approach this investment with caution. Understanding market trends is crucial before diving in. Seek education and make informed decisions. Given these factors, a thoughtful approach to investing is crucial. I've found the Interactive Brokers platform to be a valuable resource. You can find it linked below. Go ahead and check it out. The baby boomer generation faces unique challenges. Many are nearing retirement age. Unfortunately, financial security is not guaranteed. The looming threat of pension shortages is real. Many boomers risk becoming homeless due to financial instability. This demographic must adapt to the changing economic landscape. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the lack of financial education in America is alarming. Schools fail to teach essential money management skills. This gap leaves many unprepared for the realities of adult life. Financial literacy is crucial for success. Without it, individuals struggle to navigate the complexities of modern finance. This issue needs urgent attention. Silver and Bitcoin. Silver and Bitcoin are often compared. Both are seen as alternatives to traditional currency. Silver has intrinsic value, while Bitcoin offers a digital solution. Investing in both can diversify a portfolio. Each serves a different purpose in protecting wealth. Understanding their roles can enhance financial strategies. Blockchain technology is revolutionary. It underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This technology offers transparency and security. Understanding blockchain is essential for navigating the future of finance. It changes how transactions are recorded and verified. As digital currencies rise, so does the importance of blockchain knowledge. Gold has been a symbol of wealth for centuries. It retains value over time. Many investors turn to gold during economic uncertainty. It is a safe haven asset. Understanding how to invest in gold can provide security in turbulent times. Gold remains a critical component of a diversified investment strategy. Flow in or out. Understanding the flow of money is crucial. Money must come in for wealth to grow. If cash flow is negative, financial trouble looms. Many people ignore this fundamental principle. They focus on spending without tracking income. This lack of awareness leads to financial ruin. We must be conscious of where our money goes. Every expense counts. Monitoring spending habits allows for better financial decisions. The goal is to have money flowing in, not just out. This shift in mindset can change lives. A global economic storm. Germany, once a pillar of European stability, is facing a severe debt crisis, weakening its economy and raising concerns for the entire continent. This potential collapse highlights the interconnected nature of the global economy, where the struggles of one major power can ripple through others. Simultaneously, China's economy is in turmoil, with real estate collapsing, major companies failing, and resources dwindling. This crisis threatens China's global dominance and could destabilize the world order. As both economic giants face unprecedented challenges, other nations must remain vigilant and prepared for the shifting geopolitical landscape. In these turbulent times, self-reliance is essential. Individuals must take charge of their finances. Relying on the government is a risky strategy. History shows that when crises hit, help may not come. Each person must educate themselves about money. Understanding financial principles can empower individuals. Knowledge is a crucial tool in navigating economic challenges. Self-education can lead to better decisions and outcomes. The repo market is a critical part of the financial system. It collapsed in 2019, revealing vulnerabilities. This collapse highlighted the fragility of banks. They rely heavily on this market for liquidity. When the repo market fails, panic ensues. Banks struggle to lend and borrow. This situation can lead to a credit crunch. A credit crunch can spiral into a broader economic crisis. The government intervenes in the repo market during crises. They provide liquidity to banks to stabilize the system. This intervention can temporarily ease tensions. However, it also raises questions about long-term sustainability. Government involvement often leads to unintended consequences. While it may provide short-term relief, it can create dependency. Banks may not learn to manage risk effectively. This cycle can perpetuate financial instability. Interest rates play a crucial role in the economy. They influence borrowing and spending. When rates rise, borrowing costs increase. Consumers feel the pinch when they seek loans. The current environment sees rising interest rates. This trend can stifle economic growth. Consumers may cut back on spending, leading to further issues. Understanding interest rates is vital for financial planning. Inflation is often misunderstood. Many blame consumers for rising prices. However, inflation is primarily a government issue. It stems from excessive money printing and poor fiscal policies. Consumers react to inflation, but they do not create it. The root cause lies in the government's actions. Understanding this distinction is crucial for financial literacy. Debt becomes money. Debt plays a significant role in the economy. It can be a tool for growth. However, excessive debt can lead to problems. Understanding how debt works is essential for financial health. Individuals must learn to use debt wisely. When managed correctly, it can create opportunities. But when it spirals out of control, it can lead to financial ruin. Awareness is key to navigating this complex landscape. I've been actively researching investment platforms and found interactive brokers to be a user-friendly option, particularly for those new to investing. Click the first link in the description to learn more.